Hey, have you ever wondered how you can earn 5K a month without working a traditional job? Well, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new way to make up to 5K a month without breaking a sweat. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Who am I and why should you listen to anything that I say? Well, back in 2012 when I started, this journey online, I was pretty much sick and tired of being tired, sick and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, sick and tired of not being able to be there for my family and my loved ones. So it wasn't until one day that I said enough is enough, and I went online looking for solutions. Now, what I found, I found some formulas that really has helped me create success. And ever since then, I've been building a profitable online business all from the comfort of my home and as an additional, income stream. So if you're looking to earning income online, I'm the guy to go to, and I will connect with you with people that has helped me along my journey. Because what I did, I surrounded myself with other successful people, and I simply learned from them and implement everything they taught me. Ever since, I've been generating income, generating sales online, being on leaderboards, as you can see right here, and basically being able to help others make a difference in their lives. So this is why I do this. So my why is basically because I want to be able to help my family and my other loved ones. I want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. So this that I'm sharing with you right now has allowed me to do that, and that's why I'm passing on this knowledge to you. So let's go ahead and get to it right now and check this out. I just gotta say that the concept of passive income has been growing in importance over the past few years. And it's no surprise why. With the rise of the digital age, people are looking for ways to earn money without being tied to a 9-to-5 job. And as a beginner, it can seem like a daunting task to get started. But the truth is, passive income is more accessible than ever, and I'm excited to share with you some game-changing strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals, alright? So, one of the most attractive things about passive income is the freedom it provides. Imagine this for a second. Being able to earn money while you're sleeping, traveling, or simply enjoying time with loved ones. It's a dream shared by many, but achieved by few. And that's because, let's face it, the traditional 9-to-5 grind can be exhausting and unfulfilling. We're constantly trading our time for money, leaving us with little energy or motivation to pursue our passions. The reality is, passive income has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives. It allows us to pursue our passions, take risks, and live life on our own terms. And in 2025 is more important than ever. With the rise of automation and artificial intelligence, the job market is changing rapidly, and traditional employment is no longer a guarantee. So, no security there, okay? So, how can you get started with passive income and set yourself up for success in this rapidly changing world? Well, for many beginners, the biggest obstacles I notice is pretty much misinformation. There's so much noise out there, so much crap out there, and it can be difficult to separate fact from fiction. You've probably seen those get-rich-quick schemes and overnight success stories that promise the world but deliver nothing but disappointment. And then there are the so-called experts or gurus who claim to have all the answers but lack the actual results to back it up. The truth is, making passive income online requires effort, patience, and persistence. There's no shortcut to success, and anyone who tells you otherwise is likely trying to sell you something. But the good news is, with the right mindset and the right strategy, which I'm sharing with you right now, you can overcome the obstacles and start earning a steady stream of passive income like I have, over the past few years, and that's why I'm sharing with you this with you. All right. Another challenge beginners face is the overwhelming number of options. With so many different methods and platforms out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. Do you go with affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or maybe creating an online course? The choices are endless, and it's easy to get stuck in analysis, what they call analysis paralysis. And then there's the fear of failure. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that failure is a bad thing, and is something to be ashamed of. But the truth is, failure is an essential part of the learning process. every successful person has experienced failure at some point in their journey, and it's what they did afterwards that matter. So after you feel like your dream died, what do you do afterwards? That will determine where you go next or what happens, right? So how do you overcome the fear of failure and take the first step towards making passive income online? Well, the answer lies in education, right? The things that I'm teaching you right here, the things that I share in my videos, and that many people are actually out there sharing the video, which I'm proud to say that I'm really proud of the people in the community that I work with, because they're sharing things that actually is helping make this world a better place, and is actually helping people become the change they want to see in the world, right? So pretty much you need to educate yourself on the different methods and strategies that work, and then take consistent action, keyword consistent, towards your goals. All right, there are many different ways to generate passive income, okay, and each one has its own unique benefits and drawbacks. Let's take affiliate marketing for example. It's a great way to earn commissions, and by the way, this is my favorite. Affiliate marketing is actually how I do it, and it's a pretty, like I said, it's a pretty great way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. But the thing with affiliate marketing, it requires a strong online presence and a solid understanding of marketing principles. That's why you get educated and then you earn. Okay, what I can tell you is that you can actually earn while you're learning. And if you stay through this video, I'm going to share with you how you can do that. Another way is through drop shipping. I don't know if you heard about drop shipping. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. It's a great way to test products and markets without breaking the bank, but it requires a strong understanding of logistics and customer service. Creating an online course is another popular option, allowing you to share your knowledge and skills with others, but it requires a strong understanding of teaching and course creation. And then there's investing in dividend paying stocks, like real estate or peer-to-peer lending. Each of these methods has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, and it's essential to understand them before getting started. So what's the best way to get started with passive income? You ask me. For beginners, I always recommend starting with affiliate marketing. It's a low-risk way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products, and it requires minimal upfront investment. Another method that's gaining popularity is creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, or software. This allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to create a product once and sell it multiple times, earning, in this case, residual income with each sale. And then there's the power of building an online community or membership site. This allows you to build a loyal following of people who are interested in your content and willing to pay for exclusive access to your expertise. When it comes to making passive income online, the key is to find a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. And then it's essential to take consistent action towards building your passive income, or should I say your passive income stream. One of the most effective methods I found is through using a specific tool, which I'm going to share with you right now on the screen. This tool right here, this is what you see on the screen is called a funnel builder. I like this one specific right here, which at any point in this video, after this video, you can get access to it right away. But this tool right here has helped me generate sales, generate leads over time, and it has helped me create passive income. Now, what I like about this tool is that you can actually create funnels, unlimited funnels. Just go down below here. This is all the funnels I have created over time. So I pretty much just go up here or click that plus sign right here and go to page. And as you can see, they already have done for you templates that you can use, plug and play, and customize it to whatever it is that you're promoting. There's a lot of websites out there that you can find affiliate products, and you use this tool to pretty much sell that product online. A lot of these products pay high commissions, especially if you're starting out. Like I said, I recommend affiliate marketing. Here's a good website that you can go to. Okay, so if you go to this website right here and you create a free account, you're gonna get access to all these products. And right here, if you can see on the right, is actually this is how much you get paid per sale. All you gotta do is pretty much sign up. I don't earn anything from promoting this. Basically, this is a free website that you can create a free account with. And basically, what you do, you find products, or you pick a topic that you're interested in, and you find products here that pays, different commissions. So per sale, you get, this is how much you get paid. So if you want to make, for example, 5K per month, all you got to do, for example, on a product that pays as much, make about 50 sales and you're making 5K. There are actually other products that are like subscription based, so you get paid commissions every single month as long as that person stays subscribed to that product. And again, you can actually go here and find products, different products for different markets, and start promoting this to people that need help, people that are looking for solutions, and you have this solution by looking for these products right here. Okay, so keep this website in mind. Again, you can get free products, so this is why affiliate marketing is the best way to get started, because the product and everything has already been created for you. So in combination with using a tool like this one, funnel builder, this one that I highly recommend, you can actually get access to this funnel builder by clicking the link in the description. Just get access to that funnel builder and then start building funnels to promote different products and getting started. All right, if you want to know what my top recommendation is to earning a full-time income online, I also left the link below. It's actually my #1 recommendation right now, so take a look at that and simply get started. So let's go ahead and continue. So what I love about this tool right here is that it's incredibly easy to use, even for those who are tech phobic, and the results that I've seen people getting are pretty much outstanding. Again, I gotta disclaim that these results are not typical, but I've seen people, many earning thousands of dollars in passive income each month using a tool like the one that I'm showing you right now. But don't just take my word for it. I've seen countless testimonials from people who have achieved incredible results using this tool, and there's several companies out there that actually provide tools like these, but out of all the companies that I have tried, this one is the best and the most cost effective, especially if you're just starting out. And the best part, it's accessible to anyone regardless of their background or experience. So in conclusion, making passive income online is a game changer for beginners in 2025. With the right mindset and strategy, you can overcome the obstacles and start earning a steady stream of passive income. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, okay? It's about building a sustainable income stream that allows you to pursue your passions and pretty much live the life you want to live. Live life on your own terms and be the difference you want to see in the world, and pretty much being there for your loved ones, right? Whatever it is important to you, doing this is going to help you achieve that. So to recap what I just talked about in this video, the key strategies for making passive income online this year include finding a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals, taking consistent action towards building your passive income stream, and using the right tools like a funnel builder. Let me go back to it, like this one right here. I got different funnels here that I have created over the years, and it's so easy to use. So pretty much using the right tools and resources to help you succeed. And finally, I want to leave you with this challenge. Take the first step towards making passive income online today. All right, this is my challenge to you today, whether it's educating yourself on a new method or taking action towards building your passive income stream. Remember that the power is pretty much in your hand. All right, so there you have it. So that right there is actually my new way to make passive income online, especially if you're a beginner in 2025. So if you got value from this video, again, make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you like this video, share with somebody you believe will benefit from this. And if you're ready to get started, if you want to learn what's my top recommendation for pretty much making passive income, making residual income, and pretty much taking control of your life, go ahead and click that first link in the description. Is my #1 recommendation, and simply learn more about it. And if you feel that it's a good fit for you, if you like what you see, simply get started. I'm gonna help you out a lot. You're gonna get access to a lot of done for you tools and done for you strategies that you can actually implement and start getting results. You can get access to coaching as well. So whatever it is that you need to get this started, this this passive income stream, we'll have it. We'll hand you over all the tools you need. So other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.